So for markings on the globe, I made this worksheet for the kids to identify and highlight the different markings on the globe. And so when you download this worksheet, it'll be just black and white. And what we did, as you can see here, the little boxes tell you the 7 different features that you're going to highlight on this globe. So you have the latitude, the parallels, the longitude, meridians, the prime meridian, the equator, degrees, northern hemisphere, and the southern hemisphere. So with this you can just just be creative and use whatever color you want to use. You can pick whatever color for the latitude, and that's what you're gonna use to trace. Like we did for latitude, we did blue Sharpie marker, and the longitude, the red Sharpie marker. The degrees we did yellow, and we painted yellow, and the northern hemisphere was orange. And what I used was watercolors, because I like how you can paint with watercolor and it's kind of see-through. It's not like the other kind of paint, tempera paint, that you paint and it just is thick and it'll cover the picture and then you can't see what's underneath. The watercolor, it's so see-through. You get the color, but you can still see the picture behind it. So that's what we picked. We did the watercolors, and then we did blue Sharpie marker and red. But my daughter wanted the pink one, of course, so she did the pink longitude lines. And then again, since I still have the puffy paint, I'm just gonna use the puffy paint, but you don't have to use puffy paint for the other 2 lines. You can just do a different color. The equator, we did the purple, so we put a little drop of purple there. And then the prime meridian, we did the golden, and we dropped a little blob of golden paint on there. But again, this is really easy. And the kids can decide how they're going to color it, what colors they want for each feature, each element on the globe, and then they can just have fun with it, and then it'll help them remember the name and look at the color. It's kind of color coded. You can do crayons or color pencils or regular markers and just have fun with it.